It's the piano then chase one. Good morning to one and all. So yesterday we discussed about mode and median. So just to once revise that one. Median means you know already. Median is nothing but the middle most observation in the given data is called median. So yesterday we are discussing about median of ungrouped data and median of grouped data. So now we have to discuss the median of grouped data. Median is equal to, the formula is what that means, L plus n by 2 minus EF by F into H. This is the formula for median in grouped data. We know very clearly L is nothing but lower boundary of the median class. N is nothing but the sum of all the observations, which is nothing but the total number of observations. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of preceding class of median class. F is nothing but frequency of the median class. H is nothing but size of the class interval. So now once we see one problem on this median. Suppose class intervals and frequency. '65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205, 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. This is the given data, class intervals frequency. So now for this data you want to find the median. So median means one see the formula L plus n by 2 minus EF by F into H. Here F you know, this is called as frequency. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of the preceding class of the median class. And here unknown is what that means CF. First you have to find out CF. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So the difference between frequency and cumulative frequency. Frequency is nothing but the number of observations which belongs to a particular class. 65 to 85, how many observations are there means 4 observations. It is called as frequency of the 65 to 85. 85 to 105, how many observations are there? 5. These are individual values. That's why these are called as frequencies. Cumulative frequency means the sum of the frequencies from starting class to our required class. That means first class, suppose 4. Next class means what? First class plus second class. That means 4 plus 5, which is nothing but 9. Next one, what is that? 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 is how much? 22. 22 plus 20. It is nothing but 42. 42 plus 14. So 56. 56 plus 8. 64. 64 plus 4. That is nothing but how much? 68. So these are called as cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequency means you have to add the frequencies from starting class to required class. First class 4, next class 4 plus 5. So 9. 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 means how much? 22. So 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. Plus 4, 68. So this is only we called as what that means n value. N is equal to how much? 68. Now we have to find the median class. How can you find the median class means with the help of n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to how much? 68 by 2. 68 by 2 means how much? 34. So now one see that 34 belongs to which class interval in this value. So 34, first one up to 4. 4 more than 4 and up to 9 is the second class. More than 9 up to 22 is the third class. Our required value for 34. 34 means it lies between these two values. That's what this is called as median class. This is the median class. It is very important one. To find the median, first we have to identify the median class. How can you identify the median class means? First find the value of n by 2. N by 2 value how much you are getting? 34. That 34 have to see in cumulative frequencies. It is belongs to which class interval. So 34 if you observe this is up to 22. 34 is nothing but more than 22. That means this one. And 20 more than 22 up to 42. These middle values all are belongs to this class interval. So our value belongs to this one only. This is the median class. Now we have to find out one by one. So L is nothing but lower boundary. This is the L value. Next one, N completed. CF is nothing but what? Cumulative frequency of preceding class of median class. This is the median class. It's the preceding class. This is called as CF. 20 is the F value. H is nothing but how much means 65 and 85 difference. That is nothing but 20. Now substitute all these values in the given formula. L is equal to how much? 125. So N by 2 is equal to 34. CF is equal to how much? 22. F is equal to how much? 20. So H is equal to how much? 20. Now median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L value how much you are getting? 125 plus N by 2 means how much? 34. N by 2 is the 34 minus CF is nothing but how much? 22 by F is nothing but how much? 20 into H value how much? 20. 20 cancel. So 125, 34 minus 22, it is nothing but 12. So answer is what that means? 137. This is the median of the given data. So like this we find the median of the given data by using the formula L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So letter wise this formula is very important. They will ask that one for 2 marks in examination. Next, come to median. Another model problems we have, that is nothing but missing term. So missing term problems, how can you do? Once see. Missing term, class intervals, frequency. So this is the given. If you observe this data, here second value x, this is the unknown. Now we want to find the value of x, same as y. These are unknowns. So now we have to find the values of these unknowns. Same, the concept is same only. median means first of all you have to find out cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, how to find out? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, first one 5, next one 5 plus x, next one 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, 25 plus 15, 40 plus x, next one 40 plus x plus y, next one 45 plus x plus y. That means the n is equal to how much ante 45 plus x plus y. Now one see the question. In the question they given n value how much means, they given n value how much means 60. N value 60. So n value here, n from this table n value how much you are getting, 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. That means x plus y is equal to, we are getting how much? 15. This is the equation 1. Next, and from in the question and also given, what is that means, and also given median is equal to how much given, 28.5. Median is equal to, they given how much? 28.5. So now find the median from this data, and that one equating to 28.5. So median, if you want to find out, first you have to find the median class. Median class, how can you find out? N by 2. N by 2 means how much? 60 by 2. 60 by 2 and how much? 30. So 30 means you have to take this one. This is the 25 plus x, this is the 40 plus x. So nearest value 25 plus x. This is the median class. So this one L value, it is the F value. This one is the CF. It is the H value. H value 10. Median, do you understand or not? N by 2 is equal to, first you have to find out 30. So n by 2 value 30. That value you have to see in this cumulative frequencies. Here 25 is there, here 40 is there. So these are the unknowns. That's why you have to take which is the nearest, that one. 25 is nearby 30. That's why you have to take this class is median class. 25 plus x is the median class. Its frequency is called as F value. The before one is called as CF value. This is our lower boundary L. So H is nothing but the difference between two consecutive lower limits. That means 10 minus 0 is nothing but 10. Now median is equal to, what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is equal to how much given? 28.5. So we know very clearly L value. L value how much? 20 plus n by 2 value how much? 30 minus CF value how much? 5 plus x. So the compulsory this one put in bracket, otherwise you get wrong answer. By F value how much? 20 into H value how much? 10 is equal to, what we get? 28.5. 0 0 cancel. We want x value, that's what 20 carry to right side. So plus 20 becomes, what is that? Minus 20. That means 30 minus into 5 minus into x minus x by 2 is equal to 28.5 minus 20. 28.5 minus 20. 30 minus 5 means how much? 25 minus x by 2 is equal to, this is how much? 8.5. 25 minus x is equal to 8.5 into 2. So 25 minus x is equal to how much? 17. Minus x is equal to 17 minus 25. Minus x is equal to how much you are getting? Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus cancel. We are getting, what is that? X value. X value how much you are getting? 8. So now another unknown is there, that is nothing but y. So you want to find the y value, that x value you have to substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is what is that? X plus y is equal to 15. X value how much? 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. So y is equal to, we are getting 7. Like this we find the values of x and y. These are the two model problems in the median. First one is the median of group data. Second one is the median of group data with missing term. Next, if you see your textbook, this type of problems given below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So here the given values are called as cumulative frequencies. You have to remember that. Cumulative frequency, this one, because continuously increasing below 20. So like this given, first we have to convert these are into class intervals. How can you convert these are into class intervals? Now one see. Class intervals. First one below 20 only. Next one see 20, 25. 20 to 25. Next one 25 to 30. 30 to 35. 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. These are the class intervals. And given in the question, those values are called as cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequency. So 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98. Now once see all the members. In the question cumulative frequency is given. Then how can you find out frequency once see all the members? Before we are learning frequencies given, how can you find out cumulative frequencies? Now reverse. Cumulative frequencies given. We have to find out the frequencies. For that, below 22, here also below 20, that's why first one there is no change. How to remember, write like that only. Next one see, below 25, how many members are there? Means 6 members are there. Below 25 and we are getting below 20 also. Below 25 and what? 0 to 25, all those comes under below 25 only. And 20, below 20 also comes under below 25. That's why what can you do? 20 to 25, how many members are there?